2020, all GCSE and A-Level examinations in England and Wales were cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, Ofqual was tasked with creating an algorithm that could predict the students' grades in their GCSEs and A-Levels. The method to do this is outlined in a bit more detail in the case study section, but several factors were used to help build the models, and the one that we're going to focus on here is called the prior attainment score, and this is the current student's performance in previous qualifications. So for students doing their GCSEs, the prior attainment score is taken from how they performed at their examinations taken at the end of Key Stage 2, called your SATs. And for A-Level students, the prior attainment score is taken using how the student performed in their GCSE examinations. However, in the UK, there are multiple GCSE examination boards that schools can choose from. Further, GCSEs and IGCSEs, which some schools prefer, are not fully aligned in specifications and content. Hence, the GCSEs variable has multiple definitions behind it. In the Ofqual algorithm documentation, openly available, there is no mention of any consideration taken to different examination boards for differentiation between GCSEs and IGCSEs for the purpose of prior attainment. Given the differences between the definitions in this variable, that could give rise to hidden biases due to merging these potentially different measurements. If privileged or underprivileged schools consistently made different choices, it could lead to unintentional systematic biases from this merging process, which would be hard to then identify in the predictions. For Ofqual, there were many different reasons that led to the algorithm being dropped, but this is just a concrete example of a common problem when working with large data sets. When merging variables from different sources, data analysts should be thoughtful to prevent introducing biases into the data. Thank you.